Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter Reset Options. And as you can see at the top of the list, we've got the option we are looking for, so Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on Reset Settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, and tap on Reset Settings to finish. As you can see here, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.